Hello, I'm Dr. Madhuri Sonavne, MD in Ayurveda and working as a consultant in Hope Ayurvedic Medicines, Pune. So today we are here to discuss about the cases of blood cancer. So exactly we'll like to know there are many types of blood cancers actually. There are like chronic CML is there, AML is there, there are a variety of cancers. So the basic cause behind this cancer that underlies here in the like bone marrow and in the lymphatic system. So there is a deformity over there. So what happens is a lot of immature cells are produced over there and those get included in the circulation, blood circulation, and what happens is the immune system becomes much more weaker than before and the patients suffer a lot because of this cancer. And what happens like we have a product which is purely herbal, natural and organic in nature. So it helps to like boost the immune system very nicely and will help control, improve the metabolism of the bone marrow and also improve the lymphatics also. So that is how it just brings all the things under control, and that is how the cancer comes under control. So what the basic treatments here are advised for cancer are mainly chemotherapy and radiations. Such treatments are there. So what happens is when we are undergoing all such types of treatments, so patients suffer a lot. So what all adverse effects are there that they suffer is like they are facing the problems of nausea, then vomiting, then they their appetite is very weak, and because of that digestion is also poor, and then they become weak and they lose their weight, their confidence is very low, then even sleeplessness is there, and at the same time there is a lot of body heat, raised body heat because of the toxic effects of the chemicals that is there in the chemotherapy and in the radiations also. So what happens is they get mouth ulcers, frequent mouth ulcers, and even skin pigmentations are there, skin rashes are there, hair fall is there. So all these things contribute to a weakened immune system. More like the immune system becomes much more weaker than what it was before. So and the majority that the factor which is much more important is like the hemoglobin falls a lot, then even the platelet count goes down, and which is not good for the treatment process also. It just gets disturbed in between and it may be skipped also. So with our medicine what happens is we can control all these side effects of the chemotherapy and radiations. So there is rejuvenation of the healthy cells also, and we can control the growth of the cancer cells, and also we can control the spread of the growing cancer anywhere in the organs or in the tissues, wherever it goes. So that is how it helps in controlling cancer. So this medicine is purely herbal, natural and organic in nature. Also it is just made out of the leaves of medicinal plants. It is suitable in all age groups, right from the children's to aged old patients also, and the minimal dose, and it is most effective also with that much dose also. And even it has got no drug interactions, like even if you are taking any chemo pills or if you are taking any chemotherapy sort of chemotherapy, it is not going to interfere with the mechanism of the drugs. Neither it will have any allergic or any complications over there. So that is how it goes very smoothly. The recovery rate becomes much more faster, and also the success rate gets maximized. At the same time there is no recurrence also, because it is going to build up the immune system very strong, and also later also it is going to maintain it. So that is how it just helps to control it in a pure form, and it's a wholesome way. So like we have also conducted a research regarding this, where we had conducted like research on even blood cancer patients in Vikhe Patil Hospital, where a combination of treatment was given, and there also we found, as on the analysis it was like found that it gives a better recovery, a faster recovery without any drug interactions. So that is how it works. So we have certain testimonials over here to display. So like there were patients who were suffering from blood cancer and they were in their last stages of cancer, and even the allopathy treatments were like given up in that case. Like they were not like they were just under palliative care thereafter, like as they were not having any results. Then there was bleeding from nose, then there was like hematemesis was there, like hematemesis, wherein blood is there in the vomitus, and also like patients were very weak, their hemoglobin level was too low, platelet count was deranged, and all these with all these factors and with all lot of fatigue and stress, and they had approached Hope Ayurvedic medicines. When they started, they showed a lot of improvement thereafter, and even now, even until now, they are living a very healthy life. So just go through the testimonials as shown here, and for any further queries or any thing that you would like to know much more from us, definitely feel free to contact us at Hope Ayurvedic Medicines, which is located in Sangamwadi, Pune. The numbers will be displayed here, so you can call us anytime. Yeah, thank you.
Basically, I'm Shashank. In 2009, I was detected with blood cancer. In Nagpur, I didn't get a good treatment, so I had to be admitted to Tata. I had to go through chemotherapy and radiation for about 6 to 7 months. My health was really down because of all that. Doctor had said that I'll live for 5 days max. My father was really stressed due to this, so his few of his friends suggested him about hope and to use the Ayurvedic medicine and told him about the results. So my father met them and we started using the medicine. When I was going through chemo, I started using the hope medicine. My blood count was in control then and it was in level. Because sometimes it had dropped from 5 to 4, and due to the medicine it had started increasing. I felt like vomiting and nauseous due to the chemotherapy, and it was all gone because of the medicine now. And now I'm fit and fine, and everyone says it too. Yes, I'm completely happy now.
Yes, completely. I am very much satisfied with the results. When he was admitted, his blood count and the platelets came down to 35,000. Because of the medicine, the platelets were raised to 1 lakh. He couldn't climb stairs, and within 15 days, he could run up the stairs. He became paralytic. The chemotherapy caused the edema, and even the doctor said there was no use. So after we brought him back and started medicine, he lost his edema. He started walking. He completed his VE. Now from 6 months we haven't given him any treatment and he is fine. He only takes Hope Ayurvedic medicine regularly. Even if he is alone, he does everything. I am very satisfied with the results. Hope Ayurvedic medicine is satisfaction for us. And I feel hopeful.
Hello, I am Rajendra Ramkrishna Panse. I am from Chakan. Doctor detected my blood cancer and started my treatment with medicines. But results were not very good. I took treatment at different highly regarded places, but still the result were not yielding. Then one of our friends suggested this Hope Ayurvedic medicine which he was taking and his disease was cured as well. I came here because of that. I started this and blood coming through my urine stopped. My immunity system started growing and now I feel very much healthy and
I found out this disease in 2005. When I found out the disease was at its higher stage, I was admitted to the hospital in unconscious state. I didn't know about what medicine I was taking. Before that treatment started, I found out about hope from some friends. They told me to start this medicine with the allopathy medicines. When I was admitted, I was bleeding through nose and mouth. The hemoglobin count of my blood at that time was just 3 to 4. Everyone had lost their faith, doctors and relatives alike. Then I started taking the hope medicine. The bleeding stopped in the first few days. I became a bit stable. I started taking that medicine regularly. Within 3 to 4 months, all of my reports were normal. Even bone marrow report showed that I was cancer free. Right now, I'm so happy that I'm relieved from this disease. And I would recommend this medicine.